ST4500 GPS tracker. No wires needed. Just plug it into the OBD port, compact and small device. Designed for vehicles, trucks, vans, and many more with OBD port, perfect solution for fleet management. Works on the most advanced mobile networks. Designed for IoT networks, Internet of Things. Self-installation in the form of a plug-and-play. Email and text alerts. Speeding, ignition on/off. Geofences, unit connection, disconnection, harsh driving, among others. You can also set up reminder alerts. Updates its location every 10, 20, or 30 seconds, and on every corner turn with no additional cost. Provides very detailed and accurate tracking history, as this model combines data from traveled distance, corner turns, and time intervals. Track from any computer, tablet, or phone. No contracts. No additional or hidden fees. No automatic renewals. Flexible pay-as-you-need plan. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and we are here to help.